A tragic road accident took place in the Shalbagan area of Atharmura Hills under Mungiakami police station. A total of 10 small traders and a driver were injured in a head-on collision between a heavy truck number UP21BN 1922 and a Bolero vehicle number TR01P 1610 on the Assam-Agartala National Highway. A collision involving a lorry and a bolero. The incident occurred on Saturday on the Assam-Agartala National Highway in the Shalbagan area of Atharmura Hills under Mungiakami police station. Small traders in the car said that after finishing the Ambasa market, a group of small traders were returning towards the Lemura in a bolero vehicle number TR01P 1610. Just before reaching the Shalbagan area, a container lorry number UP21BN 1922 coming from the opposite direction, they collided head-on with the vehicle heading towards other direction. The severity of the accident damaged the front of the vehicle and a passenger suffered minor injuries. Local sources said that the injured were given first aid. Upon receiving the news, the police of Mungiakami police station quickly reached the spot. They seized both the vehicles and started an investigation into the incident.
কোথেকে আইছেন আপনারা?
আমরা আমপাশার থেকে
কি আমপাশে কেটে গেছেন?
আমরা দোয়ান ড্রাইভারটা নিয়েছি।
তো কি গাড়ি বাড়ি দিছে এটা?
ওই যে সামনে গাড়ি,
বড় গাড়ি।
বড় গাড়ি।
কি নাম আপনার?
পরিমলটা
কোনানে বাড়ি?
তিলামারি।
মানে ব্যথাটা তো পাইছেন নি? কতজন আসলেন আপনারা গাড়ি?
আমরা সামনে আসলাম 4 জন, ড্রাইভার এলিয়া 4 জন, আর উপরে আসিল 3-4 জন।
তো মোটামুটি কেউ ব্যথা পাইছে না না?
Initially, it is believed that the accident may have occurred due to the curve of the road and the speed of the vehicle. The administration has requested local people to use the mountain roads with more caution. Bureau Report, Chini, Khorang.